Co-pilot, do you get the drumstick that Carter has? Gentle Miss Co-pilot. Carter. Here. Hey, Carter. Can you give it to Miss Co-pilot, please? No, give it to her. Let go. Here you go. Here, you can have the ball. Look. Look, you can have the ball. Yeah. Thank you for sharing. Carter. Hi. Co-pilot, did you win? Did you get your drumstick? Yay. Give Mom your hand. Can I have your hand? Yay. Good job.